everyone! Sorry I have to see the mask and stuff, but this is a serious, well, kinda serious video. Um, I am quitting Animal Jam. I know it's been with my YouTube channel, and it is my YouTube channel, but I have lost membership on it. Not interested in it anymore. The same updates keep coming back, and it's just boring. I've met so many friends on there, and I still am friends with all of them today, except for some of them, which I don't want to name, but they are good friends of mine, and I will never let them go. Especially Casey. She is, I don't know, she's just amazing. If she wasn't here, I would have just given up already and just stuck with life. Um, but I've just been sitting in my room talking to internet friends and playing Roblox. That's technically all I've been doing these past couple days, and filming TikToks. We got Charlie and uh I forget your name, blank here. Um they are mostly on my TikTok. Well, not blank because he's hard to move the jaw. It's a little hard, but I will mostly post Charlie because he is my boy and I love him very much. But if you want to watch me more, I will be posting more on my TikTok, um, obtubetv.yt. I also have a Discord. I might change it, so it's either gonna be Junko and Oshima, um, or Buttons at but I don't know. I'm just gonna put it in the description. Maybe, I don't know. Probably not, but you can go follow my TikTok if you want. Almost at 200. Um, but if you want to see me more, go ahead follow my TikTok. Um, and my Instagram. I don't post much on my Instagram, but you can still follow me there if you want. And you can also go ahead and I don't have any more social medias. Never mind. Um but I am just quitting Animal Jam completely. If I ever go back on it, it's only gonna be for huge updates to where it actually changes, or it's gonna be for music videos or whatever and stuff like that, because I don't really have interest in playing it anymore. Um, all it really is drama and people fighting over pixels. Um, pretty much it. There's nothing else fun about it, really. Um, but I'm not giving my account away because I just want to keep it to myself just in case I go back one day and just revisit it and stuff. But if I ever do go back, I will post videos about it, but probably only gonna be once because, yeah. And if you're questioning why I'm not on Animal Jam doing that now, is because I have lost membership and I really don't wanna. I don't really wanna do a video on Animal Jam without my main look on Animal Jam, but I can't really post her right now because I have lost membership. So, yeah, it's just been heartbreaking to, move on, but all of us gotta move on at some point. We can't just play Animal Jam for our whole life or do something else for our whole life. We'll get tired of it eventually and just move on. But yeah. Like I said, this is a serious video. If you have already gotten this far in and you don't want to listen to my annoying voice anymore, just go ahead and click off because I'm going to be rambling for the next minute or two about why I'm quitting. Even though I've already talked about it most in this video already, I'm gonna go ahead and just spit all the rest of it out because, yeah, you've already heard me say I lost membership. That's one of them. Drama. That's another one. There's also, toxic friends, hackers, all that sort of stuff is why I'm quitting. I don't want to have drama on my shoulders all the time just because of a game. And I don't want to get into anyone's relationships that are on there because that is their own problem. If they get in trouble for it, that is their problem. If they're not allowed to online date and they're doing it anyways, that's their problem. If they're doing any non-appropriate stuff, that is their problem, not mine. I just don't want to get into anyone's business, with relationships or with, anything that has to do with love, because I've already done that once or twice, and I don't want it to happen again, because it's just awful to say my opinion and them just breaking up for it. That's happened multiple times. It's just my opinion, y'all. You don't have to break up because of it. It's just my opinion. Um, Everyone has their own opinions. Like, if you want to be together, go do that. It's not my problem. I'm just spitting out my opinions because opinions, they're just opinions. There's nothing really bad about them. They're just opinions. If you don't like my opinion, that's fine. Just ignore it. If you don't like anyone else's opinion, that's fine. Ignore it. That's just been happening all the time in Animal Jam, and they can't even take an opinion. It sucks because opinions kind of matter, but don't at the same time. And yeah, but yep, that was me rambling why I don't want or why I want to quit. Because relationships, opinions, drama, other stuff. But yeah, that's most of the main reasons why I don't want to play anymore. Also, it's because I kind of grown out of it. Not really interested in it anymore because it just keeps releasing the same thing over and over and over again, and it's getting annoying. And I'm sorry, Wildworks, if you're watching. I am so sorry for leaving the fandom. I hope you enjoyed me being there for everything for the past 3 years. And all I want to say is thank you, Cookies Frosty, for introducing this to me. It was a really old video of yours. I was just looking at it one day when I was like 9, and I was like, this is a masterpiece. I need to play it. So, yeah, thank you, everyone, for bringing me this far into the fandom. I really appreciated all your time with everything I've done. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Bye, my little TVs, and peace out.